All right, I'm checking the ignition on my pickup truck here. It seems like when it gets really cold, it doesn't want to start. Now, as you can see now, it's cold. It's about 9 degrees. Now I had it running yesterday. Let me see, can I get that? But now it ain't gonna start. So I'm gonna check pull off one of these spark plug wires here. Let me see if I'm getting that in. Okay, I'm getting it. Okay, there we go. The way these are pretty good. I got these from Amazon. I'm gonna send a link to those. These are probably some of the best spark plug wire pullers for the boots, because you're not gonna tear them like you do with the other style kind. So I'm gonna take this off here. Pull it off. Set those to the side. Now I'm gonna get my trusty old Harbor Freight ignition checker. Okay. Now I'm gonna hook this up to it. Okay. Maybe that's ice falling. There you go. Nice. That gonna work. Dang, it came off. Okay. All right, just see, I'm trying to get it. Okay. Okay, it's getting. Okay, now I'm gonna hook up the old Schumacher battery charger here. Got the battery charger hooked up. I think I'm gonna give it a few minutes. I'm gonna come back, and we're gonna do this little test here. All right, I let it sit for a few minutes. The battery charger is making a loud buzzing noise, so that means it's sending extra electricity to the battery. So I want to just see what my ignition pulse is. All right, I'm gonna stop the video here. I'm gonna check that pulse and see how it's looking. All right, I just checked that footage, and it looks like I'm not getting an ignition signal when it's extremely cold. Like I said, yesterday I had it running. I had it running for a good little while, but I guess it got colder, and some reason it ain't getting an ignition pulse. So, I've had this computer out like 4 times already. I might have to go back one more time because I have an issue with the center dashboard, like the heater controls and stuff don't work. Well, they might work sometimes. So it might come back. I think it's coming back to a computer issue. But I guess when the weather warms up, I see it'll probably crank when it gets warmer. So it did last time, because I'm sending a link to a video I did a couple of weeks ago where I couldn't get this started But when it was temperature like it is now, but when it got around 40 degrees, 35, 40 degrees, it started right on up. So this is just a little test I wanted to do, and I decided it'd make an interesting YouTube video. And I guess if anybody's really heavy into car computers, maybe they might have a suggestion on what I could do. It's an old truck too. It's a 98. It's old. You know, I'm just trying to save it from the junkyard. But anyway, I just thought I'd just make an interesting video. I don't know if there's any kind of videos like this on the internet showing a vehicle that won't have an ignition pulse when the weather is extremely cold. So, okay, thanks and bye. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I had it running yesterday, so I guess maybe the temperature dropped and it just, whatever it did. But like last time, I made a long video on how the Schumacher 1309 SC brought the battery back up, but it wouldn't start. But when I came back a couple of days later, when it was a lot warmer, around 40 degrees, it started right on up. You know, which was a big relief. So I guess with these old cars, you just never know. So I'm pretty sure, well, I'm hoping that when we get some warmer temperature, supposed to get some warmer temperature not tomorrow, next week. Cause right now this is February 20th or 19th or whatever. So next week we're supposed to get some warmer weather, and I think she'll fire on up. And also I'm going to send a link, and also in a link and a video showing the Amazon spark plug boot puller, which is a really an excellent design set of pliers. I mean, it helped me because if you got like a spark plug boot that's broke off and you got a recessed hole, you can use that to get down in there and pull that broken part out. You know, but so the next link is going to be that video or that, and then I'm gonna send some other links behind that to other videos you can go watch. So, all right, thanks. All right, I wanted to show the spark plug boot pullers. This one right here is this one's a Harbor Freight one, but this is the regular style with this kind of here, and this is a Lyle one here. But to me, overall, this is superior to both of them because you have less chance of tearing the boot, especially if you need to use it over. You know, if you need to do some kind of test on the car, you know, to determine like an ignition problem, or you need to do a leak down test or a compression test or something like that. So I'm gonna send a link to this one here. And this one here, you can get these at Harbor Freight. They're decent though, but with that old design, you can tear the boot. But this one, it grabs the whole boot. You can pull it all out, and there's less chance of tearing it. Also, with the design too, you can put it in tighter spark plug holes, and then you can get down in there and pull it out. Or this style here wouldn't work. So still better than nothing. And this style here, it's okay, but still overall this one's superior. So I'm going to send a link to this one here. I think I paid like $8 for it, but it's worth it. Now it's the main one I grabbed. So now I'm wrapping this video up.